Sylvia, founder of Shan Living Mindfulness Studio, practitioner of Emotion Code, My Power, and Energy Healing. So, are you glad that the year is finally over and can't wait for a better one in 2020? And how do you plan to spend the last few weeks of 2019 to make the final difference? Well, come join me in my workshop, Create the Life You Love, to find out how to make law of attraction work for you by understanding the profound relationship between your thoughts and your emotion, and how this dual power can help you create the reality that you desire. I will also be sharing with you a very simple yet powerful technique using your muscle energy to tap into your subconscious mind to find out the little answers about yourself. And finally, I will also be sharing with you a basic introduction to mindfulness, including some stress relief, breath work, and meditation to power you through the brand new year with calmness and clarity. Well, my workshop is limited to 5 seats only, so do hurry, and I look forward to seeing you.